How to change status on Slack. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Update your status. 2. Type a custom status message, or select a preset status like in a meeting, away, or out for lunch. 3. Choose an emoji to go along with your status, making it easier for teammates to understand your availability. Set a time duration for your status, such as clear after 1 hour, or keep until manually changed. 5. If your workplace uses Slack integrations, your status may automatically update based on your calendar events or calls. 6. If you're using Slack on mobile, you can also change your status by tapping your profile picture and selecting Update Status. 7. Click Save to apply your status, and it will now be visible to everyone in your workspace until it expires or is manually updated.